These are so adorable, little baby toys. Good for learning foods, learning colors, playing kitchen. Look at how cute that is. A lot of them make noise. Crinkle. This one is the only one that velcros. Like that. Some of them don't make noise. That one doesn't make noise. That one squeaks. I'd say most of them do make noise. But yeah, they're so cute. There's the banana one that you can peel, and then the corn that is crinkly and you can peel out of the husks. So definitely a great toy. So cute.
Great little sensory toy for infants. Look, it has an octopus for them to play with the arms. It has a mirror for them to look at themselves. It has this great little seal that wants to hug them. And then over here, it has this clever 3D shark, and you can pull a fish out of his mouth. That's a lot of fun. And then there's numbers, shapes, and colors that they can learn there. And then out of the top come these other wonderful toys. There's a little fish that makes a crinkly noise. A yellow star. Oh my gosh, look at this penguin. And he rattles. And there's this little crab who also crinkles. And then there's another shell that rattles. What a great toy.
So I'm doing a quick review of this Baby Funny Mystery Box toy. And it has this here where you can stick your hand in there. And these little things here go inside there. And they make noises. So you've got, and then this one's just firm. They fit in there. Down in there, and then you on this side you have that, and then over here you've got the shell with the mirror, and then on this side you have an octopus, and then you have a shark, and there's numbers. So overall, really cute little box. It's very soft and squishy, and you can stick your hand in and pull these out. So overall, really good valued product. I hope you get value from this review, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah.